budget is the prediction of expenses that will be faced for the event, as well as the income that the event will earn, such as entry fees for selling of food or drink, sponsorship, etc. Clients will usually supply the event planner with a rough estimated budget for the event that has to be worked within, or the client may ask the event planner to create a projected budget that includes all expenses and estimated revenues. When an event is sponsored, this counts as income for the event, which means that they need to be finalized as early as possible. All events vary in terms of what has to be budgeted for, but the main items that have to be included in a budget are venue, speakers, food and beverages, transportation, decorations, invitations, entertainment, and merchandise. One of the main issues that is faced by event planners is to plan the event without blowing the budget, especially if they rely on cost recovery. Cost recovery can be made through the sale of food and beverages, ticket sales, the sale of merchandise, etc. The sale of these items must be planned budgetary expectations for the event to be successful. This is due to the fact that if attendees do not buy as much as it was estimated, the expenses for the event will be more than estimated, which means that the event was unsuccessful. When planning the budget, quotes must be obtained from all items to be purchased in order for the budget to be an accurate representation of the cost for the event. It is wise to receive quotes from several different suppliers for the same item in order to receive the best price for that item. It is also wise for the forecasted budget to be under the amount that the client was willing to pay, to leave room for adjustment or refinement of the budget, as well as extra money to purchase items that may have been overlooked or unplanned for in the original budget, and unforeseen items that may benefit the event. A good tool that can be used to create a budget is Microsoft Excel using the template called Event Budget. This allows event planners to easily create their budget from the existing template, which gives several base aspects of the event that have to be budgeted for. On the front page of the spreadsheet, there are several graphs and tables that give a summary of the expenses and income for the event. These tables and graphs are automatically generated from the information that is given on the other pages of the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet also compares the actual expenses and income to the estimated expenses and income, which allows event planners to see if their estimations were accurate or not, so that it can be improved for future events. The title of the event can be added to the spreadsheet by clicking in the top left corner cell and going into the formula bar, erasing the current text in the cell and typing the title of the event in. The title that is typed on this page will automatically be changed on all the other pages of the spreadsheet. The second page of the spreadsheet displays the expenses of the event. The template gives several of the possible aspects of the event that may have to be costed for. If these aspects do not have to be costed for a certain event, they can simply be replaced by another item or by deleting the entire row. The row can be deleted by highlighting the row, right-clicking on it, going down to Delete, then clicking Table Rows. Beside the name of each item, an estimated price and an actual price column is there, in which two prices can be compared. The estimated column is there so that the estimated cost for each item can be added. The actual column is there so that the actual cost of each item can be added. Comparing these costs is beneficial so that event planners can see whether their estimations of the costs are accurate. To input the cost for a certain item, click on the desired item's price column and input the price, then press enter. The dollar sign is automatically inserted to the front of the price, and the total cost for that table is automatically updated, as well as the total expenses that are displayed on the top page and the front page of the spreadsheet. The third page of the spreadsheet displays the income that an event can earn. Again, the spreadsheet has already displayed some of the aspects of the event that can earn income. Again, the spreadsheet displays total and actual columns beside each item that displays estimated number of items sold and the actual number of items sold. The actual amount of each item sold at the event should be added so that the estimations and the actual numbers can be compared as to see how accurate the estimations were. To calculate the income of an item, the cost that will be charged for each item has to be added into the cell on the right side of the item name. the estimated number of items that will be sold has to be added, and after the event the actual number of each item sold has to be added into the actual column. The total income earned by each item is automatically calculated, and when the changes are made, the graphs and numbers on the front page are automatically updated as well. The item's name can be changed by clicking into the cell on the right side of the actual column, and the name of the item can be added by typing into that cell. Items can be deleted by highlighting the desired row, right-clicking on it, going down to delete, then clicking on Table Rows. Overall, this spreadsheet is a simple and easy way that a budget for an event can be calculated and displayed in a way that is easy to understand.